everyone. Today I'm here to show you how to do our macrame keychain kit that's going out the week of June 7th. So your kit will include a clasp, bead, and some macrame rope. We've provided a decent amount so that if you find a pattern that you'd like to try that is not the one I'm about to show you, there should be enough for you to try that. We've also provided enough that if you aren't interested in a keychain, you can use it as a bookmark. But I'm going to show you how to do the keychain. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take both of the strands and you're going to want to find the center. And you'll take this center and you will feed that through the bottom of the clasp so that it comes out like that. And then you'll take the two loops and all of the excess and you'll string the excess through those two loops so that it secures itself to the clasp, kind of like that. And I have a clipboard here just to help me demonstrate some of the knots that we're going to use, but you can clip this on to anything and work that way, or if you find a different solution, a clipboard is just what's easiest and what some people might have at home. So what I'll do is I will take the clipboard and I will clip it right about there. So we have a clean workspace. And we're gonna put this button off to the side because we don't need it just yet. Once you're set up on the clipboard, you're going to have these two strands be the center or the core of the knot design, and then these two pieces on the side will primarily be doing most of the work and the knot work. So the one I'm going to show you today is pretty simple. So what you'll do is you'll create a figure 4 and you'll make sure that this one is on the top over the center cords. And then you will take the other side and do the exact same thing. But what you'll want to do is you'll make sure that this goes on top of this rope, underneath the core ropes, and through the figure 4 on this side. And then you will slowly start to pull them together and you can see that there is, it's casing the two center cords inside, and you'll pull that knot up to the top. And now if you do the same knot on top every time, so you can do this knot on top every time and it will create a sort of spiral, or you can alternate so that it creates a flat design. So what that'll look like is you will create a 4 on the other side, this part on top. You'll make sure that this goes over, under these cords in the center, and through the 4 on the other side. And you will just keep doing that until the design is as long as you would like. A good place to place the bead is in the center, and I can show you how to do that. Basically, all you'll do is you'll take the bead and you will string it through with the two center cords. You might need something like a safety pin or something just to get the initial thickness of the cord through. I find that if you twist it through, that helps too. We'll pull that through, and this part will now be in the center cord. You'll pull it to the top, and then you'll do the same loops as you did earlier. This over, under, through. You want to make sure that the center cords stay flat and both cords stay on the same side throughout. That'll help make it stay flat. And then you can see the bead is encased. And then you just keep making your loops around until you get to the end. Once you get to a stopping point, I recommend taking all of the cord and forming a knot at the end. And you can cut the rest of the cords so that they are all even with one another. And you can leave it like this, or you can get a little bit more snazzy and use a fork to help you comb through the macrame rope so that it has a frayed edge. Creates a more of a boho look. And there you are. You have your own little macrame keychain, and you can clip this onto your keys. Enjoy!